Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the science class. In the previous video, we have learnt components of food, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins and their sources. Today, we are going to learn the remaining components: vitamins, minerals, water and roughage, and the important topic, balanced diet. Apart from energy giving food and body building food, we also require protective food in our diet. Vitamins and minerals, these are called as protective food. I repeat, vitamins and minerals, these are called as protective food. They are required in small quantities. Though vitamins are needed in small quantities, but their presence is essential in our diet, in our food. There are about 13 vitamins of different types needed for our body. Vitamins mostly found in fruits, green leaf vegetables, egg and fish. So let us learn more in detail about different types of vitamins. Yes, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B complex. Yes, in that B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. These are all various types of vitamin B. Therefore, they have been clubbed together and keeping the name B complex. And the last one, vitamin C. So this is all about vitamins. Let's learn their importance and the sources. Vitamin A keeps eyes and skin healthy. Sources: carrot, tomato, green leaf vegetables, fish. Vitamin B complex helps in releasing energy and formation of red blood cells. Sources: cereals, peas, potatoes, milk, meat. So this is all about vitamin A and vitamin B complex. Moving ahead, vitamin C. Vitamin C keeps our teeth, gums and bones healthy. Sources: citrus fruits like lemon, tomato, orange. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps in the formation of strong bones and teeth. The major source: sunlight. Yes, we will get from milk also and fish also. Moving ahead, vitamin E. Vitamin E keeps our body and skin healthy. Sources: peas, milk, eggs, nuts. Vitamin K. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. It is essential to stop bleeding from wounds. Sources: animal fats, dark green vegetables. So this is all about vitamin E and vitamin K. Moving ahead, let's learn importance of minerals for our body. This is also one of the important component. Like vitamins, minerals are also required by the body in small quantities. Minerals are essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Some of the important minerals needed by the body are calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. So let's see about calcium and phosphorus. They make bones and teeth strong. Milk, cheese, curd, leafy vegetables are rich in calcium. Phosphorus found in milk, fish and bananas. Moving ahead, iron is also one of the important mineral. Iron is needed for the formation of blood. Sources of iron are spinach, beetroot, dates and jaggery. Gives us iron. So children, you should include all these important food items in your diet. Iodine. Iodine controls the functioning of thyroid gland. Here you can see the position of thyroid gland in the second picture. Yes, children, you must have seen in most of the edible salt advertisement, it is mentioned iodized salt, right? Is iodized salt necessary? Yes, iodized salt is the easiest way to maintain sufficient intake of iodine. If you are not getting enough iodine in your diet, it can lead to problems such as enlarged thyroid gland. You can see in the picture. Enlarged thyroid gland called as goiter. It is called as goiter. So children, iodine is very important mineral. Moving ahead, roughage and water. Let's learn importance of water. Water performs various functions in our body. It helps in cooling our body. It helps in the digestion of food. Water helps in the transport of nutrients. It helps in removing waste products from our body. Roughage. Fiber is also known as roughage. Children, have you noticed that when you eat an orange, apart from the juice, you also consume fiber of the fruit, right? Roughage is mainly provided by plant product in our body. Example, whole grains, pulses, fresh fruits. It does not provide any nutrient to our body. The part of the food that cannot be digested is called roughage. Yes, I repeat children, the part of the food that cannot be digested is called roughage. Roughage forms the bulk of our diet and helps to pass stool easily. So roughage or fiber has long been recommended to help with digestive issues like constipation. So we should drink plenty of water and eat foods rich in roughage. Now the important topic, balanced diet. A diet that contains different components of food needed to stay healthy is called a balanced diet. I repeat, a diet that contains different components of food needed to stay healthy is called a balanced diet. So what are the different components of food? Yes, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. These are the important components of food. A balanced diet is essential for us to be free from diseases. If we do not take balanced diet, we will suffer from deficiency and diseases. So we must include the right amount of each nutrient in our daily diet. Our body can function properly only if our diet contains the correct proportion of all nutrients, right? I repeat again, important nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals, water and roughage, right? So these are the important components of food. Let's revise. Today we have learnt vitamins and minerals. These are called as protective food. We have learnt about water and roughage. Our body needs the right amount of water and roughage. The part of food that cannot be digested is called roughage. We have learnt about balanced diet also. We must include the right amount of each nutrient in our daily diet. Our body can function properly only if our diet contains the correct proportion of all the nutrients. So children, the remaining part of this lesson will be explained in the next video very soon. Bye children. Take care. Have a nice day.